Excellent. Here's the small plate section of the regular menu. I have had the fish sticks before. They are terrific. I've had these fish sticks before. They're absolutely wonderful. Beer batter with Louisiana beer. Can you hear the crunch? The restaurant has flavors of the Gulf Coast and South America and Spain. In 2014, the chef won a James Beard Award. In that very same year, 2014, the entire restaurant was named one of the best new restaurants in America. The name of the local brewery that provides the beer for the beer batter on the fish sticks is Urban South. So shout out to Urban South. Thanks for the beer batter. I'll be grown up and put a little lemon on here. So yeah, these are not your schoolroom third grade fish sticks. These are delightfully grown up beer battered adult New Orleans fish sticks. My neighbors here at Peche have gone for, oh, they're frozen. He's holding the tuna dip and she told me this would, you guys can eat. They're posing. So they got the smoked tuna dip and you got the gumbo?
The gumbo.
The gumbo, excellent. So what did you get here? You got the...
I have the drum.
That was the drum, and that is...
Jumbo shrimp.
The shrimp?
With the eggplant.
Yep.
Field peas.
And Brussels sprouts.
Looks absolutely yummy.
It's
what's the cocktail?
That is a mint julep.
A mint julep. Well, as they say, when in the South. Yeah. So yeah, I have earned my dessert. We've got ice cream and sorbet and a peach galette, salted caramel cake, key lime pie. But I think right there at the top, the carrot sticky toffee pudding with cream cheese ice cream and all sorts of other good stuff. I think we have a winner. So yes, dessert, sticky carrot toffee pudding with all sorts of wonderful bits underneath and caramel underneath, and then cream cheese ice cream. We'll do the pudding first. It's warm, really, really soft, really, really crumbly. It almost has like a gingerbread flavor to it. It's like gingerbread and carrot cake and caramel all together. Oh, that's great. Let's get some of this cream cheese ice cream here and some of the caramel crumbly bits there. Oh my. That is amazing. It almost tastes like frozen cheesecake. That is a very high cream cheese to milk and cream ratio in there. Oh my goodness, that's good. That is spectacular. That's almost the highlight of the dish. If you come to Peche and they have the Creole cream cheese ice cream just by itself, I'd be strongly recommending that as an option. Let's go back in here, do a combination of the two. There's the bite of your dreams right there. Okay, I take it back. They're wonderful individually, they're even better together. I take it back. Very good, spectacular, great together. Down to the last little nubbins here. I wish you were here. We're at Peche. You should come to New Orleans and join us. And you too could be having sticky carrot toffee pudding and cream cheese ice cream.